Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our in-depth tutorial on replacing the motor in your Dyson SV22 vacuum. To start, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Torx screwdriver set, a flathead screwdriver, and a small brush for cleaning. Having a container for screws is also recommended to keep everything organized. First, ensure the vacuum is unplugged. Begin by removing the dust bin and filter. Set these aside for cleaning later. Next, locate the screws at the base of the vacuum. Using your Torx screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Remember to place them in your container to avoid losing any. With the screws out, gently pull off the cover to expose the motor area. You may notice some dust accumulation. This is a good time to use your small brush to clean the interior. A clean area helps in the maintenance of your vacuum and will ensure optimal performance. Now, let's focus on the motor itself. Disconnect the wiring harness by gently pulling it away from the motor. Take note of how it's connected, as you will need to reconnect it later. If you're unsure about handling this, keep in mind that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help when needed. Once the wiring is disconnected, you'll see additional screws holding the motor in place. Carefully unscrew these, and once free, lift the motor out. Be cautious as there might be some residual debris. Clean this area thoroughly before inserting the new motor. Before proceeding, if you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable with this process, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home. This service allows you to have your vacuum repaired without any hassle, as there are no calls or travel involved. Next, take your new motor and place it in the compartment. Ensure it fits snugly. Reattach the screws that secure the motor, following the same pattern you noted earlier. Once secured, reconnect the wiring harness, ensuring it clicks back into place. Now it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Position the cover back on and replace the screws. Double-check to ensure everything is tight and secure. After that, reinsert the dust bin and filter. To wrap up, before you turn your vacuum back on, it's wise to give it one last clean and check for any loose parts. If everything looks good, plug in your vacuum and power it on to test. If you encounter any issues during this process, remember we offer a quote before repair, so you can understand the cost before committing to any service. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on replacing the motor in your Dyson SV22. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll go over further maintenance tips and tricks. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.